Alright, let's do some recording. This one is about that girl Petaye Gaye Ffrench who had been arrested for stealing a child from Victoria Jubilee Hospital. I mentioned her in some other recordings. So it says that there's an interesting development. Alright. So here it goes. Kingston St. Andrew Parish Judge Santia Burley yesterday asserted to the court that someone else may have had case answered to join alleged child thief 28-year-old Petaye Gaye Ffrench. Ffrench is charged with child stealing and was further reprimanded when the matter was caught up yesterday. She is charged with stealing Sabrine Hutton, who was stolen 9 hours after his born on January 9th earlier this year at Victoria Jubilee Hospital. The prosecution told the court that evidence relating to a child passport ID which was presented by Ffrench when she went to register the baby at the Registrar General's Department (RGD) are outstanding. The court heard that there is an ongoing investigation surrounding the passport and how Ffrench gained possession of it. Burrell said, quote unquote, "I have to commend the investigating officer who continues the investigation. This is very interesting. Someone else may need to join her in the dock. A passport was given at the time of birth. So how did she obtain one?" The prosecution advised the court that a passport issued at the time of birth while the mother was child, but the accused had one before. The court informed that the child had information containing the name of the child, date of birth, place of birth, and mother's name. First attorney Rachel Johnson told the court that she'll file a bail application for a client on April 18th, and I hope to God that's denied. Burrell also gave the prosecution until March 29th to make full disclosure. A new committal bundle date was all set for April 18th, which means Ffrench will be in custody until then. So basically what they're saying is that it's very obvious that Ffrench wasn't working alone, and which almost gives precedent to the notion that there's this child stealing ring that's been active around Jamaica currently. Alright, so basically someone would have given her who knew about the Sabrine Houghton being born and who the parents were would have had to give Ffrench some information. This information so she could steal the child. Alright, so cause like she wouldn't be able to pull this off on her own. She couldn't just snatch the child just like that. Unless she has accomplice, and which was very obvious from the get-go that she had help. M said so in the previous recording. But question is who, and I wouldn't be surprised it's one of the people who work at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. So they need to check the background, check in some backgrounds of some of the employees there who may help her. Cause chances are that person was paid off per by Ffrench to get a child, and person gave her this child passport so she could take the child without any questions. So the question is who most likely who was the employee, who was help, who that accomplice is, and it'll be interesting to see if they get the accomplice or accomplices, because again this precedent that there's a child stealing ring, and a lot of the people involved are these employees at these hospitals who have access to these children that they can sell or give to some other people outside of the hospital so he can abduct them. So that's what this look like is shaping up to be. But see how it goes, and hopefully they get the accomplices, and I hope that this one does not get bail. It also shows that I think there is some notion that she was mentally ill. I don't know if people online were passing that bullshit notion or whatever, but if she is gonna, this just shows that this was pre-planned, that she had planned to take a child when she couldn't get conceive on herself, and she obviously was in league with some people. So anyone who's trying to get past the notion that she's mentally ill or whatever, please jump off a bridge, alright? Because this proves that this was pre-planned and that this was calculated, and this is a dangerous person that needs to be behind bars. So that's all I can say. I end this recording. So go and stay to Jamaica and the Caribbean, but also check out my main YouTube pages, Miles Goodson Farron and Miles J Productions. Alright.